Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we will do another form of directed writing, that is film review. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand what are film reviews, the format of a film review, and the important elements of a film review. Now, what actually a film review is? A film review shares all the characteristics of a book review that we had already done, though due to a change of the medium, audio-visual impact also needs to be taken into consideration. A good film review must include theme and plot of the film, main characters and their portrayal by actors, technical aspects such as cinematography, direction, choreography, music, etc., message of the film, if any, and overall impression or its entertainment value. So, just like a book review has a theme, plot, characters, etc., the film review has the same characteristics too, but it has an additional impact of audio-visual medium which is taken into consideration as well. These characteristics are cinematography, direction, choreography, music, etc., which are not there in the book reviews. Now let us discuss the format of a film review. So you will write down the name of the film in block letters in the center of the page. Then in the next line you will write down the name of the director, and in the next line you will write down the name of the actors, that is the cast, actors and actresses. So let us read the film review. Slumdog Millionaire, that is the name of the movie, which will be written in the center of the page in the block letters. Director Danny Boyle. Cast Dev Patel, Freida Pinto, Anil Kapoor and Irfan Khan. So let us read the film review. Numerous narratives and films have explored the issues related to the children and human rights, especially in the Asian countries. Slumdog Millionaire is essentially about the harsh realities of the children living in the slums in India and the things they are forced to do. Now children, this paragraph tells us the theme and the plot of the film. That was our first point to be added. So this paragraph tells us that many films have been made on the sensitive issues related to children and human rights. This movie Slumdog Millionaire also narrates the harsh realities of the children who are living in the slums of India. It depicts the story of Jamal Malik, that has been played by Dev Patel, a teenage boy from Dharavi slums of Mumbai who appears on the Indian version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Now children, this paragraph will tell us the main characters and their portrayal. So the main character of the story is Jamal Malik, who is a teenager boy from a slum area, Dharavi, who participates in Kaun Banega Crorepati, which is an Indian version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This illiterate boy goes on to win the show, thereby arousing the suspicions of the game show host and of law enforcement officials. Now children, write down the meaning of illiterate. It means uneducated. Suspicions, that means doubts. So this show host has been played by Anil Kapoor. Now this boy is illiterate. Which boy? Jamal Malik. He is illiterate, but he wins the quiz show, which arouses a suspicion in everyone's mind, especially the host, that is played by Anil Kapoor, and the law enforcement officials. Now desperate to prove his innocence, Jamal tells the story of his life in the slum where he and his brother Salim grew up, of their adventures together on the road, of vicious encounters with local gangsters, of their life in the slums of Dharavi, and of Latika, the girl he loved and lost. Now children, what is the meaning of desperate? It means ready to do anything to change the situation. What is the meaning of adventures? Risky task. And what is the meaning of vicious? It means dangerous and violent. Encounters, an unexpected meeting with someone or something. So when questioned about how he could win the show, Jamal tries to prove his innocence and tells the story of his life in the slum, where he and his brother grew up, all the dangerous experiences of his with the local gangsters, and of course of Latika, the girl whom he loved and lost. Now children, this paragraph will tell us about the technical aspects, that is cinematography, direction, choreography, etc. The story told in flashback. What is flashback? A part of cinema that goes back in time to show something that happened earlier. Sequences reveals how every encounter in Jamal's life being on the show is not to win the money but to find his love, Latika, who he knows watches the show religiously. Director Danny Boyle has successfully portrayed. Now what is the meaning of portrayed, children? It means displayed the actual situations that occur in a poverty-stricken slum area like Dharavi. The film was actually set and filmed in India. The flawless acting by all the actors, especially by the child artist who originally belonged to the Mumbai slums, makes the movie a visual treat. Now this paragraph has all the technical aspects, as I told you already: cinematography, direction, acting, etc. Now the story is beautifully picturized in a flashback sequence, which finally makes the viewers realize that Jamal was on the show not to win money but to get his lady love, Latika. The child actors who have acted exceptionally well are actually the residents of Mumbai slums. This makes the movie a perfect visual treat. Now this paragraph, children, this shows another technical aspect of the movie, that is music. Propelled by the scintillating music of A.R. Rahman, the film has songs whose words most Westerners may barely understand, but whose tunes stay with all the listeners. So not only the acting but the scintillating music of A.R. Rahman made the movie exceptionally well. Although the lyrics are unable to be understood by most of the Westerners, yet the melodious tunes of the songs stay with the listeners. The film was a worldwide success. It won 8 Oscars, including the first Oscar for music to be given to an Indian, that is A.R. Rahman. Now this movie got the first ever Oscar to be given to an Indian for music, that is Mr. A.R. Rahman. The film is a true eye-opener. It portrays the spirit of every slum child of finding hope and a release from the bondage of poverty. In short, Slumdog Millionaire has all the elements: a perfect story, superb direction and screenplay, delightful music and flawless acting, which makes it worth seeing. So children, this is the overall impression and the entertainment value of the movie. So this is a true eye-opener portraying what happens in the slums, how every child in the slum finds a hope or tries to find a hope of getting released from the poverty. And most of all, this story had got a perfect, delightful music, superb direction and screenplay, along with flawless acting, which made this movie a worth watch. To write more effectively, children, you can use the following lines. The credit goes to the director. You can name the director here, who has been able to extract a stellar performance from. Write down the name of the actor or the actress. The excellent camera work and digital stereo sound effects give a true-to-life experience. The screenplay, dialogue delivery, costumes, makeup and props truly suit the plot of the film. The movie is a runaway success. Now for your homework, children, you are to write a film review of any Bollywood movie you have recently seen. Take the following guidelines: name of the film, theme and plot, casting, camera work, sound effects, including use of dialogues, settings, makeup and props, entertainment value, and final assessment. I hope you have all understood what a film review is and how is it written. Thank you.